Hey everybody, this is Kim Siever with Hot Pepper Communications. We specialize in writing, editing, and social media management. Here's how to use an apostrophe after a name ending with S. One of the most confusing punctuation rules is when to use an apostrophe to make a name possessive if it ends in S. Names not ending in S are easy. Jack's toy, Jill's microphone, Jeremy's doll, Jade's plane. When a name ends in an S, however, it throws people off. Take James for example. Some people might be tempted, when following the pattern in the list previously, to write it as Jame apostrophe S. Others might be tempted to treat it as any other name, that is, James apostrophe S. Still others want to write it without the extra S, James apostrophe. So, which is it? Well, it actually depends on how you pronounce the plural possessive. Oxford Dictionary tells us, with personal names that end in S, add an apostrophe plus S when you would naturally pronounce an extra S if you said the word out loud. With personal names that end in S but are not spoken with an extra S, just add an apostrophe after the S. So for James, the plural possessive sounds as if it has two S sounds when we pronounce it, so we would use an apostrophe and an S. Here are some more examples. James's father is in the hospital. James's sounds like there are two S's. The report clarified Perkins' job evaluation. Perkins sounds like there's one S. We all went over to Charles's house. Charles's sounds like it has two S's. Have you seen France's new car? France's sounds like it has one S. Hope you found this useful. Visit me online at hotpepper.ca. Also check me out on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, and LinkedIn.